Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are today here at Rooster Rock State Park, and I am on my way chasing waterfall along Highway 83, I think, or 84, something like that. But sometimes you never expect the unexpected. So right now I'm standing at the sign which say this is a section of the park that you can see on your right, clothing optional beach. But I'm not here for that. Supposedly there's a 2.5-mile hike trail. But right now all I'm seeing is a couple trail down to, let me bring you up closer. Sand Island Trail and Lagoon Trail. I guess there's another high water trail. So let's go explore that, see what's going on. Right now it's so cloudy, I doubt anybody gonna be down there, so we'll be safe. All right, let's go check it out. To the right of the sign, there's a stairway down to I don't know what. Let's go explore, all right? Well, this is the end of the stairway. I guess at one point, the stair will lead way out to over there. So right now it's high. It's been raining for a few days, so it's probably high water right now. As you can see, we are not that far away from up there. All right, let's go explore the trail instead. All right. By the way, there is a $5 entry fee for day use. This is a day use state park. Or you can purchase a $30 annual pass if you live in Oregon. All right, I'll bring you back when we get to where we really want to see. Well, that's a bummer. I guess there is a trail along this. It's been raining so much I got flooded. So this is the end of the hike within a couple minutes. We are not that far away from the sign, so but that is not great. Well, we are at the east end of the park. So on the west end is a launching area for boat. If you have a boat, you can launch your boat from there. So I just spent $5 to go in here and cook breakfast. It is now 7:30 in the morning. So we are gonna go move on to chasing waterfall. All right, I will bring you back when I get to it. Go ahead.
My name is Captain Keenan. I bus for Kent and Allen, the owners of the Sasquatch Shuttle here out in the Columbia Gorge, Oregon. We welcome you to come visit us. We are a seasonal operation company, and we'd love to see you out here for the summer. Come and see us.
Great. So I took the tour bus, which cost $15. I think it's worth it though. It took you to all kind of fall. This is the first stop, the Toro Fall. Let's see where is this trail leading up to. It's quite a strenuous hike going up, so I'm gonna stop right here.
mushrooms. I got 45 pounds. I'm going to show you guys a picture when I get up on top. How about them apples?
Wow.
Like finale too. I mean, you would think this is the grand finale, but no.
Mm. Look at this beautiful landscape here. So it's only when it rains hard, huh?
Yep.